Welcome to Amsterdam.
You're missing out.
Life change.
It's really life-changing. So nice.
Lalo ka naman this week!
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
Na kami bisitang gwapo.
Ang gwapo bisita.
Gara sa gwapo ko bibig. Gara po ni. Si Dudong David asa si Goliath.
Asa si Goliath?
Kuy, gwapo po bibig. Uy, lulu. Ay, kuha niya cellphone daw. Gara na. Ay.
Gwapo por biyag. Si excited among ana sa baby oh. Koy, agoy. May bisita from Germany. From Duitsland.
Anna, wil je deze nog hebben of in de koelkast?
Anna, watch out with the baby ah. Agoy. Sakit ah. Ready na sa school ang mga tiana. Wala, ready na gyud kaayo. Okay. Hi titas. Hi titas. Hi titas. Anna has a baby brother na.
When you have a baby, you cannot move freely.
Oh.
Have to wait.
Not easy lang. Ay, ako siyang giingnan. It's not easy to prepare.
Yeah, it's not easy to prepare.
Mama was also like that lang ha when you were a baby.
But now you're older and you can do things on your own. Look, today you said you chose your clothes, na?
Pick up my da. Nag-Dutch na. To pick up me. To pick me up po day ay.
Pick me up in September and
Smile pangga. When you smile, when he sees that you're smiling, then he will also smile. He's excited, manggod lang. Call his name, my love. Call his name, David. See? He looked at you right away. Do it again. Ah, very good. Oh, may kay siya kuandang. May siya kanang tawag na kanang attention ba?
attention seeker. Exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Ang katawan natin ay masigla.
Ay.
Ay.
Ja. Doei.
Opletten op de auto's, maar dat weet je al.
Doei. Doei, titas. Oh.
Ja, maar die zit
Di, kay the baby is feeding lang.
die is...
Aww. Doei, schatje. Lami siguro dong.
Ay, sus.
Kay.
Hindi niya ganahan no katulong. Makuli ay. Kuan po.
Tamis mo gud karot siya dam, di ba?
Muna
Tamis man.
Muna yung pinakaganahan ng cards. Pero gahapon ako siya apple 2 days. Open?
Busog na.
Abi sa busog.
Agitang nasakpan.
Ay.
Ay. Oh! Wala gidapog na sa ana, wala gyud. Ana. Kusog man ni napog ning bataan eh. Ha?
Gagugi.
Be gentle, my love, ha, with the feet. And also the hands. He's very, saan ni? Puyag English eh. He's very ramdatama.
She's more tatadain. She's,
Slowly ka nang, nausap ito ang life. Hi, Carl. That's normal cut for the baby. Da, tugtugaok man.
nakadagan man dito sa tanong.
O niya, overlooking ilang lugar ng banya, makita sa dagat.
May tissue. Kung sila may tissue ang CR. Wala, uy.
Manguha siya sa pagkandyan ni Ana.
One eternity later.
Sunglasses in your bag. Na good morning, titas. Okay, but if it's hot later because you have to walk. Good morning, titas. Welcome po sa panibagong vlog. Matagal tayong hindi nag-video, no? Hatid ko si Ana, and today, last day before ng kanilang May vacation. Sa school, kailangan nilang mag-wear ng something orange. Kasi pag nataon yung King's Day, kung saan most ng tao ay nagsusuot ng orange, bakasyon Manila. So ngayon na lang. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Nasa bahay na po ako, no? At mag-update tayo ng mga pangyayari. Kasi nga, ang tagal ko pong hindi nag-video, hindi talaga ako nag-vlog na maayos since nakabalik ako dito sa Netherlands. Mga konting videos lang ba? And since twice a week na lang po ako nag-upload, the vlogs are not really updated. So, may mahahabang gap po sila. It's already April 17, and yung last upload ko siguro, hindi ko na alam kung anong date nun. But I've just been really busy these days. Marami akong ganap. I mean, not work-related, but kind of, yes. Kasi nga hindi po ako at the moment, hindi pa talaga ako nag-start mag-work. May mga application, may mga in-applyan ako. And so far, may 4 akong pinag-iisipan. Yeah. But yung isa, yung pinaka-sure kasi nakapirma na po ako ng kontrata. Although wala naman siyang bond, pero yeah. So far, yun siya. I have a new job and I'm gonna start sa end ng April. So, excited po ako. New experience na naman siya. But, based sa contract, I cannot disclose kung saan siya. Yung mabibigay ko lang is, nasa Dinbo siya and shop po siya. So, pag andito kayo sa Netherlands, nagawi kayong Dinbo sa mga shops doon, baka magkita po tayo doon. Also, finally, yung aming bahay sa Cebu, sa Bugo City, nasa Airbnb na po siya. Na-post ko na siya sa Airbnb. And then we also have direct booking kasi wala na pong monthly or long-term na guest or tenant doon. So, once I found someone who can regularly go to the house, change the sheets, clean, and prepare it for the next guest. So, that's when I decided to post it on Airbnb. So, we just had our first guest. So, today sila check out. And so far, okay naman po yung aming experience sa Airbnb. I will be sharing the link sa aming Airbnb sa comment, sa description box po. So, if you're ever going to northern part of Cebu, even though you're going to Bantayan Island, Daan Bantayan, because those are the mostly visited destinations sa North Cebu, yung sa Bantayan Island. And also Malapascua Island, Daan Bantayan. But if you're looking for a place na stop overan nyo or overnight stay or what sa Bugo City. Kasi yun yung pinaka convenient na location kung saan makaka-transit or mag-stop over sa Bugo City. There are also nice places in Bugo City, perhaps not as nice as Bantayan Island, but in Bugo City we also have resorts there. Although I think yung some places are still being renovated dahil nga sa nangyaring earthquake last year, but hopefully maka-recover na yung mga resorts doon. So yeah, but if you're ever planning to go to Bugo City and you need a place to stay, I highly recommend, diba? I highly recommend our own place. The place is called Casa Ana Richwood Bugo. So if you search it on Facebook, we already have a Facebook page for our rental house or rental unit. It's on Airbnb and also direct booking. Available din po ang direct booking. It's for, the maximum is 4 to 5 people. But, medyo okay naman kami sa small group. So, ano lang naman siya. Kausapin nyo lang kami or just send us a message on our Facebook page and also doon sa Airbnb. Nag-a-adjust naman kami. However, we don't really cater to very big groups lang. Yung maximum namin is like maybe 8 or 9 people, including kids na po siya. So, yun. For more details, kindly check na lang po yung aming Facebook page, Casa Ana Richwood Bugo. Thank you and super excited po ako and yun yung nagpapabisi sa akin these days. So, I came up with yung inaayos ko yung para may system siya ba, inaayos ko siya and then I keep in touch with my contact person, caretaker contact person doon, co-host doon sa Cebu. So on a daily basis nag-uusap po kami. So yun yung ganap these days and today it's April 17th and the last day for Anna sa school before the May vacation because here in the Netherlands, we have what we call May Vakantie. Speaking of vacation, my upcoming trip po ako with my Filipino friends. Abangan niyo po yun, mag-vlog po tayo ng konti doon. However, Anna and Ruth and also my in-laws are leaving for Germany. They're going to Germany again. Conflict po siya sa pagpunta ko ng bakasyon din with my friends. I booked it first before nag-decide si Mr. na babalik kami doon sa Europa Park. However, conflict siya masyado sa schedule ng aking in-laws and gustong-gusto isama ni Mr. yung aking in-laws. Kaso marami silang nakabook na appointment and also travel. So yun lang yung days and time na pwede silang makasama. So I told Ruth, it's fine if I don't go. Magsabay naman kaming uuwi. So, una silang alis, ng Sunday. And ako, Thursday pa yung lakad ko. Yun lamang yung ganap, yung aking new job, yung aming bahay sa Pilipinas. So, yun yung mga pinagkakaabalahan ko these days on top of, the house chores and also pagiging housewife and full-time mom. Yun lang naman ang yung nagiging or nagpapabisi sa akin these days. And of course, I will be going back to work soon. So, ibang adjustment na naman, no? Yun lamang po. And in an hour, magre-ready na po ako kasi I have to pick up Anna earlier than usual. 12:00 po sila today sa school. So, I have to wear something orange. So, ito, may sunglasses na orange for the King's Day. And yan, nabili po kami ni Lizelle. Actually, si Lizelle ang bumili nito, yung aking friend na andito. Last week, bumili kami ng matching na earrings. Mazam! Salamat sa earrings, Zam. Ako ning sulobon today because may sa school ni Anna. And then, kind of orange na pants. And I think yung upper ko, black lang siguro. Kasi I'll pick up Anna and then And after picking her up, punta po kaming Centrum. Kasi may bagong cafe doon na sobrang nice sa Centrum. Puntahan namin ni Anna. But anyway, balikan ko na lang po kayo mamaya. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Hello, titas. Ready na po ako. Nakapagbihis na tayo. Nag-ano lang ako, half bath lang kay naligo man ako kagabi. Yung buhok ko lang ba, hindi ko binasa. Kain ako ng maaga, ano pa dito, alas 11 pa. But I will eat early. Para makainom ako ng gamot. Masakit na naman ang ulo ko. Baka magkaroon na naman ako bukas. I think. $11 pa naman. Susundian ko sa Ana ng alas 12. Nagsaing po ako, no? Ayan, may fresh na sinaing tayo dyan. Sakit yung aking mata, eh. Kagabi, nagluto po ako ng stir fry na steak. Yung steak cut ba? Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng halo-halong veggies, yung ready to cook na veggies. Ayan. Masarap naman to siya. Tapos ang bango-bango. Dahil sa spring onions, mabango. So, isuot natin tong bili ni Mamshi. Yung tawagan namin since nung college pa kami, madzam. Ayan, putla pa tayo, no? Hayaan nyo na muna. Kain ako and at the same time, mag-update dito. Yung sa Airbnb, ina-update ko po siya. Tapos, di ba, may page na kami. So, ina-update ko din po yung page. Kasi sometimes there are inquiries, mga direct na inquiries or bookings. Sana ba? Ayan, kain tayo. Yan yung ating lunch. Ayan. Sarap. Isama namin kayo sa gala bukas. Punta tayo yung tulip fields.
A few moments later.
We'll follow your face, huh? So you can do this like this. Because you hold it properly.
I have chocolate.
They can hear you because you have microphone. You don't have to move the camera very close to your face. They
I
can hear you.
have candy and chocolate. Mama, kan ik hier praten?
Wow. Yeah.
Oh.
You don't. It's microphone. You don't have to. Move closer.
I don't know it. Mama saying.
No, it's not. Anna, it's not gonna. It's following you, huh? So.
Alles doen met mij. Ola, ola, ole, ole. Na, 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 na. Echte winter. Huh?
There's no pocket.
Pocket?
Hi, titas. We're going to the Centrum.
It's not a lie. Na 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 na. Zijn sporten alles doen met mij. Steenboom, alles zijn. Steenboom. Ola, ola. La, le, ole, he, he, ola.
Wait, two hands.
Maar ik wil hier iets pakken.
Where are your sunglasses at? Okay. Ayan na si Ana, naglalaro na dito. So nice. Muna nga ganahan na niya din ko. Okay. So, na ako na-discover nga bago nga ganahan ni. Ay, nakoy kuyog dire.
Char.
Kaya nakapag-order na po kami. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Hi.
Like this, Mama.
Yeah.
Tama. There's a dog. Dus we gaan niet naar de speeltuin. Gaan we niet naar de speeltuin? Dat is Mount Vins. Dat is Mount Vins.
Wil je dan spelen?
Ja, mama, als het van jou mag,
Nee.
mag ik buiten spelen. Waarom?
Yeah, because last time you were hit. Remember?
Ja, maar nou zal ik niet meer vallen.
Hello, titas. Teka lang, baka naka-on pa yung mic ni Ana. Uwi na kami ni Ana ng bahay. Hindi po kami masyadong nag-video doon, no? Kasi alam nyo na nahihiya tayo dito sa amin mag-video-video. Pero it was nice catching up with Loina. Kasi timing, nung nagkausap kami, pauwi kasi siya and kami ni Ana papunta ng Centrum Bus. Sabi ko, dahil dumaan ka dito, kay pupunta kami ni Ana sa isang cafe, yung pinantahan namin kanina. Ang ganda po doon, ano siya, very child-friendly. So, kung parents ka, very nice siya kasi nga may maliit doon na play area ba para sa mga bata. And then, pag may baby ka, pwede mong easily makapag-change ng diaper kasi may ano doon ba, anong tawag doon? Yung ano mo lang ba na para siyang changing pad. Very convenient siya for parents. And then, may mga ano sila ng sign language. So, I think most sa kanila doon, marunong sila sa sign language. Nakalabas to eh. Si Mr., hinihintay na lang po namin no na makauwi and then we will have dinner. I will have to pack Ana's stuff para sa kanilang biyahe kasi nga Sunday, aalis na sila. So, ipapack ko po yung mga kailangan ni Anang mga damit. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what time we're leaving tomorrow kasi nga may pagala tayo po before kami maghiwa-hiwalay. Kaya iba-iba yung aming mga lakad. So, pagala tayo and isasama ko po kayo bukas. I-end ko na din po yung ating pa-video, no? Kasi I think sobrang haba na po ng video ito. Thanks for watching and see you na naman sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Tuy! Mush, mush, pabush!